Yak Maniacs is back.
Finally.
Yeah, it's been a couple of days. We were back in the same spot that we were last video. We're back where we were, where I ate it, and we're gonna go fish it again. First cast in the water. So we are at Sweetwater Creek. I'm not gonna tell you what the park is, but it's not Sweetwater Creek State Park, but this is Sweetwater Creek. It's pretty beautiful, pretty clear as in it's the clearest it's gonna be like ever probably. I'm gonna do a little pre-exploration too. Oh, fish shot. Told you it was fancy. I'm gonna toss it one more time. Just screw it.
You got him that time. That's a bass.
Nope, it's a freaking bluegill.
Or red breast wrong here or something.
I told you, it was this guy all along. I know for a fact it was.
Well, you got the skunk off is what you needed, and it's a good fish.
Third time's a charm.
Need pliers.
And the release. See you later. He gave me false hope that he was a bass. It's alright.
What's your drag looking like? Fish on. It's a huge sunfish. Fish number one of the day. First fish of the day. Beautiful. Maybe it's a longer. Beautiful fish. I'm just gonna toss him. Yeet. I might have scared everything else, but oh well. Skunk is off. That's it, you got bit. I saw you get bit. I saw the line jump. You got bit again, you got bit again.
This is what we're talking about, baby. Hey, just be careful, please.
She's right there again.
Where?
She's out.
We're not on our property. I mean, we're on... No, I can't see her. Can't see her. Just stare at there.
No. Is that it?
No, it's not on. He's just nibbling. Oh yeah.
You got you wrapped in, dude. You're stuck. He's either gonna swim out or. So we finally we went up the creek and we met some people who actually like are gonna let us fish their property, which is surprising. Like it's beautiful. Like we'll show you in a second, but they're such nice people. I'm not gonna mention them because I don't want everyone to come onto their property, but like they're such nice people. Like thank you so much. Very grateful. Yes. Thank you.
Who we caught? First cast? Are you kidding me? Are you freaking joking me? Are you joking? No way!
On the jerk bait. No way. That's about a pound. Maybe a little bit more. No way. That was first cast into the... I think I was right. This place is stacked.
I haven't got a fish.
First cast. That's probably a pound and a half, actually.
No, he's lighter than the last one I caught.
Maybe, I don't know.
Jay, we just got doubled up. We doubled up. No. Hey.
That's insane.
Two fish.
Fish on. Fish on. Oh, it's a good fish.
How big?
Second fish of the day. That's a largie. Probably about a pound.
Let's go. Fish number 2 of the day for me, or 3 actually, but solid fish. Patrick must have just gotten bit, so. Oh, we found the honey hole. Little update. Moved down the river, or up the stream, the spot we were here last time. And yeah, let's see what happens.
Oh, I'm getting smacked.
Not yet. Actually, now. I don't know. Yep, fish on.
Nope, no.
Oh, hold on, I'm gonna go with the jerk bait.
Oh. Go for it.
Fish. Dude, he bit off the whole freaking end of this.
What was it?
It was a bass, I think.
That might be a boat.
Alright, so Jay and I are, we're done. It started raining. After those 3 fish, it stopped.
Oops.
Well, and it's raining. So we're gonna get out here and we'll see you in the next video.